Dearest Jella and Alan, allow us to congratulate you as a member of the family very soon. We trust the name is also forthcoming. The dreaming of every couple is to have an offspring that will ensure the continuity of our generation. You have achieved this and have made us, all of us, very excited and proud. Parenting is not just about having kids and watch them become mature individuals. It is a lifelong chore that will score until when the exchange of I do happen before the altar. It is rewarding and sometimes frustrating task, but amidst the trials, a smile, kiss, and a hug. Will be enough to wipe away all complaints and companionship, especially if it's our child that provides it. Jella, never mind Alan's moves. He has his own intention and I'm sure if he does it. Ewan ko sa gabi siguro yun. Okay. Parenting is a journey that happens not only once but repeats itself in a cycle the moment we decide to add another member of the family. Well, at least for the task, it's like riding a bicycle. Once we learn it, we remember how to do it for life. Parenting involves sacrifice. We let go of some private time that we in turn give to our little ones. Good things for disposal, diapers, and throwaway battles. It has made this a lot easier than how our parents did it for us. Naintindihan mo ba yan, Lan? Hindi ka naintindihan. Parenting is fun and start the moment we wrap our arms around our little one and land that kiss for the first time. It continues when they throw tantrums and make faces while we are trying hard to understand what we want to say. We always end up looking at our spouse and say, ano daw? The typical reply is, ewan ko. Si Alan nga yan, tsaka si Jella. Mahaba na yata at madrama na. I am sure that both of you are anxious as we are to see the baby. Sorry, wala kaming alam na name pa kasi. Ako meron, Snuggle. Snuggle ba? Bagit, ha? Snuggle pa rin, Snuggle. Kaya Snuggle, kung naglalabas si Jella, doon nila ginawa yung baby. Alam mo, ha? Okay, we invite all present to rise. We invite all present to rise and clap our hands to welcome the newest member of the Villamayor Putong Clan and intend our best wishes to Jella and Alan until the next baby shower. Kuya Ali, Ate Adel, Kuya Ayel, and Ate Ailea. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday din ni Tati Uwen ngayon. Although physically, nawala sa atin din sila. Sa mind at sa heart natin, nandun pa rin siya pala. Hindi nawawala. Okay? Happy birthday kay Jella. Welcome sa magiging baby ni Alan. Si Alan ay mabait yan. Parang ako yan. Sigurado akong magiging best parent sila. Okay, thank you.
Jella, Kuya Alan, ihiramin ko na lang yung baby nyo. Wala akong babae. So, hopefully, yung babae yan. So, kung kailangan yung tulong kami, nandito kami. Lagi. Across the street. During the day. Pag umiyak na, babalik ko na sa'yo ulit. Deal. That's the deal. Tapos pag si Aldrin naman at si Ariel, pwede na mag-babysit dyan. So, okay na. So, by the time, makakatulong na kayo. And hopefully, enjoy kayo ngayon. Take care kayo. Tama si Ate Ren, enjoy nyo na yung sleep nyo kasi pag yung baby, wala yung sleep. Lagi nang gising. So, pero ano pa, hopefully sabi ni Mama madagdagan.
Kaya nga, advantage, hindi sila mag-sleep.
Ewan ko kung gagayin mo ko kasi yung sa akin, si Ariel, biglaan. Kaya, biglaan. Pero, hopefully, ganito yan. You know, kahit wala, pabila mo dito, maraming gusto mo pamilya dito. Okay? So, good luck. Wish sa inyo. Good luck. Bless. God bless. And many more. Okay.
Kasi pag lumabas na yung baby, ay naway ng lot. Si Jella, I won't be surprised if you have a mommy brain. Mommy brain tawag namin sa wala na, nakalimutan na lahat, yung baby na lang. But I wish you luck and enjoy the baby. Napakabilis lumaki ng mga bata dito. So enjoy it while you can. And good luck. Okay? Congratulations.
Marami at kitang lahat. Sama-sama ng gabi. At dito naman sa dalawang nagkakaanak.
Magkakaanak ha, dalawa.
Ay, sumara.
Dagdagan ninyo ang...
Hindi mo na ako masaya. Excited pa talaga sila.
Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon Diyos at tayo binigyan ng lakas at panahon na maganda para makapagsama-sama. Kahit umulan, ay mainit naman, di ba? Maganda rin lumabas. Sayang lamang at yung mga hindi nakarating, katulad ni Tita Bel, siguro natakot sa ulan. At saka yung ibang kaibigan ni Alan. Kaya pa man, ang lahat na naririto ay nagpapasalamat ako ng lubos. Tayo ay nagkasama-sama. Ang wish ko sa dalawa ay dagdagan ulit.
Dagdagan ulit. Madami na.
Gawin ninyo sa labing dalawa.
Pwede.
Labing dalawa.
Pero last one, ang huli kong sasabihin, huwag ninyong kakalimutan si Daddy Ruben. Sinabi ko mali. Sinabi ko
Hindi ka nakikinig, ikaw yata nakalimutan.
Yun lang ang ano mo. Ang huli mong masasabi ay magmahalan kayo.
Magmahalan ba kayo?
At magsunuran kayo. Pag yung isa ay galit, yung isa naman ay...
Kala ko sunuran pa.
Ano?